I want to act like a fool so bad right now, man. And we will. We're making laps. I don't give an F about anything. We're making laps. Shorty hit him with the seagull. Shorty hit him with the flex. Shorty begging for the next. What else can we add to that? I haven't been rapping, as you guys can see, because I haven't been riding. I usually rap when I ride. My mixtapes need to be dusted out. Hit him with the flex. She'd be begging for the next. I keep thinking of Brexit. 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 What else can we say? Hit her with the flex. She'd be begging for the next. She pulled the skin back and said, damn, you looking like my ex. That was gross. Pulling the skin back and she said, you looking like my ex. Shorty begging for the... That's kind of gross though. No. She pulled the skin back and said, shorty, you look better than my ex. Not looking like my ex. I could have... The mind is not there. Okay, so I just need to tell you guys this, and you guys need to know, alright? Every single chopper, Harley bike that we've seen, I waved at, it has not waved back to me. Every sports bike, and even like a standard bike that I've seen, I wave to them, they wave back to me, Lambo. Huracan. Nice! So I just want you guys to know how much of a douchebag that these people actually are. Riding them goddamn bikes. That's why she's cheeked up on a Tuesday. But today's a Sunday, so she ain't cheeked up. We'll see you back on Tuesday. One thing that I also love is the amount of electric e-bikes that are out. Don't switch lanes, don't switch lanes, don't switch lanes, don't switch lanes. Hit her with that flex. Hit her with that flex. What up, cop? Them blood. Yeah, man. See, I laid off the acceleration. I could have given him the overhand one. I did not. I laid off the goddamn throttle to give him a wave. Spread love, not hate. But nobody ever does that for me. Hit him with that flex. God, I miss riding so much. Hit him with that flex. Shorty begging for the next. Hit him with that flex. Hit him with that flex. Hit her with that flex. She be begging for the next. Hit him with that flex. She be begging for the next. That's stuck in my head now. I can't stop saying it. Usually when I'm like, you know, feeling myself and I'm riding and I pick up on a verse, on a thing to say, I'm gonna keep repeating that all. It's just how it is. It's been raining like a mug around here, so the streets be clean, man. Hit them with that flex, breaking her neck. Look where you want to turn, that's where you're going to go. Look where you want to turn, and that's where you're going to go. I didn't do that one right because I accidentally, my foot was hovering over the rear brake and I accidentally pressed it. I had the perfect amount of throttle too to make that turn, but I accidentally tapped it. My foot dangled, it kind of fell asleep on the job. Hit him with the flex. Kick it back, drop it back, bounce it back. Pop it, throw it back like you mad at me. I told Shorty throw it back like you mad. Ow! I forgot I had a camera. Is we good though? Is we good? Hit him with that flex, she be begging for the next. She pulled my skin back, she says, you looking better than my ex. That's so gross. But that's what came to my mind. Shorty thicker than the plot. You know what? F it. You know what? Let's do it. I'm down for it. If you guys are down for it, I'm down for it. I'm down for it. I came here and I did a video, which never got released because it's buried in all the footage that I have. I did a video where I sat and I showed you guys the current modifications that I had made to Nimbus. And then I went and I was riding this exact road. This was like 3 years back, 4 years back, I don't even know. 3 years back probably. I was on this goddamn road riding, making love to it. What up, shorty? Old school Honda? I don't even know. I can't tell bikes anymore, by the way. Motorcycles, models, stuff like that, I cannot tell. Unless it's the same bike that I'm on. Shorty, I don't got a clue. I don't got a clue. It's like you told me to do stuff to your feet. I don't know anything about that. I can't say anything to that. I can't do anything to that. Same way I am with, you know, identifying bikes now. It's like a big toe to me. What the hell do I do to it, man? Do I rub it up and down? Do I, you know, give it a rim job? I don't know with my tongue. I don't know. What am I supposed to do with it? Is that a GTR? That's a GT motherfucking R. It's a GTR. I'm pretty sure it's a GTR. Pretty sure that's a GTR. Well, we'll see what kind of GTR it is. Just keep it up. But now let's leave it in the dust. Oh my god, that looks so beautiful, man. That looks so damn beautiful. Sun hitting the waves like that, sun setting on the waves like that. That looks damn beautiful. God damn, that looks beautiful. Get on with the flex, she be begging for the next. Can you roll it into my heart? No? Okay. Forget you then. Hit her with the flex, she be begging for the snacks. Pull the skin back, she said you bigger than my ex. I saw slow on there and all of a sudden I dropped acceleration. You see how fast my mind works? And you see how discombobulated I am? I go biking. I wasn't waving to you, homie. I was, well, you can take the wave because that guy didn't wave back to me. I give it to you instead, Asian man. I want to spit. I really feel like spitting right now. Not verses, I just want to spit. Like moisture out of my mouth, liquid out of my mouth. Thickums on that bicycle, by the way. Hey, don't pull out. I'm pretty sure it's a GTR, but I can't tell. I'm not that into it. Or I'm into it, but I gotta reacquaint myself to all these things. Reacquaint myself to all these things. Shorty bigger than my ex. I want to spit up in the air. I want to stop over here, take my helmet off. I want to spit up in the air, and then I want it to land on my face. That is not a GTR. What? These mirrors, I need to get used to them. That is, oh my god, that is not a GTR. And like, I want to keep my eyes open as that spit lands onto my face. Like, I really want to see it coming and I want to feel it. Because that is not a GTR, man. And I can't squeeze through that hoe. One car is kind of out and about. And I think that the red thing might be something juicy. This dude is dressed like, I want to say Paul Bunyan. I don't know his ball, Paul Bunyan. Ice rink. But he dressed like a hillbilly kind of dude. And I feel like he's eating cornbread. He probably is eating cornbread. I like him though. He don't give a about style. Like he's creating his own thing. I like that. I respect that. This is one of the saddest excuses for an ice rink that I've ever seen. But I like this. It's for like kids and like first date kind of shit. So like it's cool. Except one of those, that one dude who's like single and alone, but he still came out. Show out, homie. Show out. And that's a Corvette. It's not anything. Chick in the pink top, you say the word and I'm yours. You know, with that X, you be begging for the next. Dude, I am ready to give my heart to all these ladies.